Good morning, traders. It is Monday, December 28th, and I just wanted to share with you my 5 trades here. You can see my brokerage account here, 5 trades for a summary total of 667.69. So I had 4 winners and pretty much one kind of break even. The stop was at break even, but it stopped me out a little bit below that. So I just want to take you through these in order. Here's my trade log. So I'll show you from the market open about 9:30. My first trade was in MTSI. And the strategy I'm using is followed from the True Trader strategy. So I'll give you a little bit more information about that at the end of the video. But really quick, I just want to review these 5 trades. So right off the open, we saw a huge selling volume. And if you look here, so here's the minute chart up here, and here's the daily. On the daily level, you can see that it's just had, I don't know, about 5-6 consecutive green days. And so at the open, there was a bunch of sell orders to just take profit. Had a great level of support right around this area. And so I missed it on its way down, but I caught it on its way up a little bit. I was pretty confident that it would at least meet VWAP, which was what was my target. Should have made it my first target, maybe taken a partial and held on, because it did continue to climb a little bit throughout the day. I usually like to leave a runner on there, a few shares, just in case that happens. But today I was just quickly in and out in, I don't know, what is that, 30 seconds in and out for a quick $255. And then for FUBO was my next trade. This one, I was looking a little bit more of a scalp play, so I didn't go in a lot of size. Again, because this orange line is VWAP, and I kind of want to make that my first target. And so it quickly hit that. So that one was a nice little scalp. FUBO for about $90. Now, Root was not True Trader strategy. It's a little bit more of my own that I've developed. And I'm basically risking the lows. So I was comfortable in taking about 1,000 shares in this one, being that it was just about, I don't know, 12 cents risk, about $100 risk. And then it clearly met my risk reward because the VWAP was my target, which was 50 cents. So it's about 5 times reward on my risk. Although I did kind of get faked out a little bit. I think I only took for, what was that, 20 cents. Should have held for VWAP. So I didn't follow my own rules. Really wish I would have held on this one a little longer, obviously, because that would have been a nice, I don't know, $1,800 profit. But 205, I'll take it. So it was great. And then the one that was break even was CSIQ. And for CSIQ, this one was going to be a little bit more of a scalp play again, but my target was VWAP. I think for these scalps, I got to be probably a little bit more careful with them in the middle of the day, especially. Usually my plays are at the open in the morning, so I'm a little bit more cautious with size, unless the risk reward is really in my favor, such as Root, which was further in the day. But CSIQ, yeah, I just got stopped out, so I had a break even, and it didn't work out for me. And then last one was JMIA. This one was alerted in the chat room. It was a great trade. It came right into a level right here. It also, this is a moving average that it fell right into. So I took probably a little less size than I should have, being I was pretty confident in this trade working out. But this one was for 2 points, so it was great. Or was it 2 points? No, about 1.25. So it quickly bounced off that lower low, and this one again could have been good to hold on to a portion of it. But yeah, that was pretty much my trades for this Monday. And then I want to show you how did I learn how to do this. True Trader is a community that I belong to, and there's a bunch of resources that come with it, and they basically teach you how to trade, even if you're a beginner trader. So I started in April, brand new to trading. I'm going to show you some of their results here. They have some reviews you can watch. Mine's right here, and they have a demo of what goes on in the live stream. So in the morning, there's a live stream. There's 3 scanners and a chat room, along with along with that, a course with all kinds of information, including trader psychology and everything that's good to know. So even for somebody with experience that's just looking for consistency, this is a great strategy for them. If you're interested in futures or options, they also do that as well. So yeah, check it out. I'll have a link in the description. It's bit.ly/TrueTraderJoin. Check it out and have a great day. Thanks.